Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. The red car here had to take their exit starting from the far left lane. Genius!
Oh my goodness. Okay, Garmin, save video. There they go again.
The most impatient driver of this video. Maybe just miss the exit next time. Poor visibility, or was he not looking? This grinds my gears more than any bad driving. Looks like someone is in a hurry. This driver really needed to get ahead 2 cars. I would pay to see an in-cabin view of that driver's reaction for this. Either he is learning manual or he's having a stroke. This idiot hates slowing down. Well, that was quick. Both drivers are lucky that there was no one coming the other way. She reversed into me and said I was speeding. There was no stop sign for me. The hazards let me know something was coming up.
12 seconds later.
Let's, if you could, give me a guy who you're not seeing talked about as like a likely all-conference type guy, and then give me a first-year starter that you know about, maybe some of your fans know about, but the rest of the league, maybe us national guys.
What the talking offensively or in general?
We can go dealer's choice here if you want.
common driving issues in the UK.
You doing, buddy? Drunk. Drunk or stupid? Oh.
Holy shit!
Jesus sure. Oh my god, bro. You should honk at them a couple more times. What the was that?
I'm confused. Is this a real cop? Am I an idiot, guys? What else could I have done here? I always turn left from the right lane, as do many other people, including cops. I was so confused, and it took me a second to realize what was wrong here. What do you think happened here? Be careful while driving after rain. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.